Today I want to show you how to make a very simple vinaigrette using some ingredients you probably have on hand. A green apple, a little orange, some red wine vinegar, olive oil, garlic, onion salt, and salt and pepper. We're going to mix these together in this jar and make a very simple salad dressing that's going to be delicious over our winter fennel salad. And we'll show you that next. First things first, let's go ahead and wash our fruit. Get that apple washed up. And then we want to wash up that orange. We'll set them off to the side to dry for just a minute. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get my ingredients into the mason jar. So let's go ahead and start with the dry ingredients. So that was that onion salt. We'll get that in there. And then we're going to go ahead and get in our olive oil. And then our vinegar. Now what we need to do is we're going to chop up our garlic. You are going to use half this orange and half this green apple. Now, my recipe calls for twice this much, but there's only 2 of us eating this, so I didn't want to make more than what I needed. This will last in the fridge for up to a week, but still, we're going to be trying so many other different dressings this week. I felt it best to just go ahead and show you how to have the recipe. We will put in some salt and pepper in the end. So we're going to take and chop up half of the apple first and get that in there, and then we're going to get half our orange, and we'll be back to show you that in just a minute. So here I have chopped up our garlic, and as well I have chopped up the green apple and the orange slices. Now, I removed the slices from the skin, and why did I do that? I was worried that the pith from the orange would make this dressing bitter. So I just went ahead and removed it. So let's go ahead and get all of these ingredients placed into our jar that already has our ingredients in it. Let's go ahead and get those green apples in there. And you'll see why I used such a large jar, because I wanted to make sure I had room for everything. This is all going to kind of infuse into the vinegar and oil and make this lovely salad dressing. And last but not least, we need to get that garlic in there. So let's go ahead and see if I can do that while I'm videoing for you without making a huge mess. We like garlic in this house. We want to make sure we get a lot of it in there. So let's go ahead and just get a little bit more coming from that clove. All right. And last but not least, we'll go ahead and we'll add some salt and some pepper into this and shake it up. We've placed the cover on the top. Let's go ahead and give this a good shake. Look how beautiful that looks in there. All right, we're going to give it time to sit up in there and become what I need it to become for a salad dressing. And we'll let you know how this tastes on our winter fennel salad. Enjoy. This is what our green apple dressing looks like after 48 hours. So this is ready. It tastes amazing. We're going to get ready to go ahead and just use this up in our winter fennel citrus salad. It's going to be amazing. So what we're going to do is just shake this up, and we're going to go ahead and pour it into our little decanter here. Again, this is a salad dressing for 2. If you needed it for 4, you would use the regular recipe, but I cut mine in half because there's only going to be 2 of us enjoying the salad today. But there you have it. That is the finished product sitting in our little carafe for our dressing. Enjoy.